In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Wise Mastercard in 2025, a process that has been streamlined for your convenience. If you're looking to access a reliable and widely accepted debit card, this simple guide will walk you through each step to make it happen with ease. Let's start by visiting the Wise homepage. Head over to your web browser and type in wise.com. Once there, the main page will greet you with a number of services offered by Wise. However, for our purpose today, let's focus on getting that MasterCard. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Cards section. This is accessible from the homepage menu. Clicking on Cards is your gateway to ordering your own Wise MasterCard. Once you've done that, look for the option that says Order a Debit Card. This selection will usher you into the world of physical cards, where you'll find various selections. Select Physical to direct your interest towards tangible cards as opposed to virtual ones. This option ensures that you'll get a debit card you can carry with you, making transactions seamless wherever MasterCard is accepted. Now click on Order Your Standard Card. This is the most straightforward option available if you seek a basic card without complex features. The process will now require some location details, so choose your province. This helps Wise anticipate your address details better for delivery. Following this, click on your city and then select your barangay. These steps are crucial for ensuring that the card finds its way to your doorstep without any hitches. Once those are set, type in your complete address. It's important to be as accurate as possible with this information. Don't worry if you have extra details to add. There is an address line 2 option to include specific location details like apartment numbers or units. Now make sure to input your zip code. This is a vital piece of information that assists in the efficient delivery of your card. Hit Continue, which prepares the final details of the card ordering process. Up next, you'll be asked to choose between two delivery options, Standard Post or DHL Express. Choose the one that best suits your need for speed or cost preference, and hit Continue. Now decide how you want your name displayed on the card. This style of personalization is a simple yet important option. Click on the name you prefer, and after that proceed with Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to set a 4-digit PIN for your card. This step is crucial for security, so choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Once completed, click Continue. Finally, review all your personal details. It's essential to ensure everything is correct as it finalizes your card order. After going through this information, one final click on Continue wraps up the ordering process. And that's it! You're done with the step-by-step process of ordering your Wise Mastercard in 2025. Once everything is confirmed, your card will be on its way to your home. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility that comes with having a Wise Mastercard. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!